Hello my lovelies, this is Jana here, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make something that you guys ask me so much. Finally we're going to make vegan cheese, yes, because I love you. And but the reason why I haven't posted yet is because the internet is flooded with vegan cheese and they're practically the same. I mean, there's one change here, one change there, and today we're here to change the game because I have been testing and failing a lot, so you guys don't have to. And the ingredients I have here are super interesting. And the one that I want you guys to not skip if you can is the fermented bean curd. I have showed you before in a video, and it is super important because this is both the umami, the tangy, and the pungent factor in this recipe. So let's get into it. So we're going to add to a pot any kind of vegetable milk of your preference if you're a vegan. If you're not a vegan, any kind of milk. And there's nothing to do with the protein here, okay? Like in the previous videos with both the cream cheese and the ricotta. No, what is important here? Flavors. So to my preference, the best milk for that, the best vegetable milk for that is either peanuts or cashew, because they're the ones that have the most neutral flavor, and that's important, plays a huge role in this recipe. If you can make a homemade one, even better. So to that we're going to add nutritional yeast. All the recipes, all the measurements and the complete recipe and everything is going to be posted down below and the description box, as well as on my website, so don't worry about taking notes, just watch the video. And now you add garlic powder, onion powder, and the fermented bean curd. Now you just smash the fermented bean curd, or you can pass it through a fine sieve. And then you add apple cider vinegar or lemon, white pepper. The white pepper is super important in this recipe. Like I have showed you in the previous mock cheese videos that we made, it will add not a hotness, mind you, it will add a little bit of a tanginess and a lot of pungency, because have you ever smelled that? So that's good for this recipe. And our thickening agent, it's going to be cornstarch. I have seen everybody making it with tapioca starch. Works as well. The temperature must be off, and you are going to dissolve now the cornstarch, okay? And then when it's completely dissolved, then you turn on the heat, medium-low heat, and you're going to be stirring, I'm not gonna lie to you, for a long time, because we want it to thicken up and because we want it to cook. I want this cornstarch to cook, and I want the flavors to marry, to incorporate. So this part is very important. Now you add butter, a pinch of turmeric, just for some color. And now I'm going to be babysitting my cheese here for, I don't know, like 10 minutes. I'll see you then. Right, and here you see that it has thickened up, and as you can see, it's coming out of the bottom of the pan here. You see? That's what we want. And now I'm just going to put in two separate different molds, and I'll be back. Alright, here we have our cheese almost ready, because now it's the hardest part. It needs to go to the fridge for up to 4 hours, for a minimum of 4 hours because it needs to get hard so you can slice it up, and let's go. Our cheese ready. I have already taken a slice because it's so delicious, and I hope you enjoy it. You will love it. It's super good. Let me try one on camera. It's savory, and it hits you in all different levels. It activates your receptors. I love it. I mean, oh my god, you gotta make it. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. Ring my bell so you get notified every time I make a video. And I see you next time, my lovelies. Until then, bye!